Hello friends, this is Rahul. Let's simply learn robotic process automation with UiPath. In this video, we will check how many days in a month. Let's open UiPath Studio. We'll create new sequence. Calculate days in months. Create it. Let's take input dialog box. Two input dialog box. First is for year and another is for month. Please provide year. Similarly for here we will okay. So we will take two inputs here. One is year, another is month. Yeah. So here we will create one variable as well. Control K. Year. Control K. Sorry. Months. Month. Yeah. And we will use message box to display the result. Yeah. Date, time, dot, days in month. So they are, we will select, we'll first type date, time, dot, days in month, then we will provide the here mention year as an integer, month as an integer. So year, month. Yeah, we'll save it and we will run this. So in this workflow we have first take an input for year, then take an input for month, and then we'll print the result. Let's run it. Yeah, 2021, this is the year, and we'll provide the month second. Yeah, so in 2021 in February month there are 28 days. Let's try it for another one. 2020 first month, these are 31 in days in January. Yeah, so in this way you can calculate it how many days in a month. I hope this helpful to you. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.